What's up my people, and welcome back to Just a Coin. In this video today we are going to be talking about Grove Token. We are going to be covering the further announcements that have been released since yesterday, going into more depth and clarification about the upcoming GROVECOIN, and of course a price prediction. I also have some subscribers asking in my comment sections about how to buy Grove Token, so I'll be covering that at the end of the video as well for you guys. But for starters, hashtag GROVECOIN is currently trending, which is big news, ladies and gentlemen. GROVECOIN is piquing the interest of many different people right now, which will only increase Grove's profit in the future when GROVECOIN is released to us. Also, let's have a look at the market chart for Grove Token. And as we can see, Grove has now dropped to the $39.40 million market cap and has dropped below these previous levels of support that it was sitting around for the past 4 days now, meaning that Grove has now re-entered the bearish trend. This is not all that surprising considering that the market as a whole right now is very bearish. In fact, Bitcoin hasn't been this low for roughly 2 years now, sitting around the 16,800. As we can see, 2 years ago, around November, this is when Bitcoin was last this low. Where will Grove go from here? Well, stay tuned to the end of the video for my price prediction on that, and while you wait and listen to the rest of the announcements, why not subscribe to the channel to keep up to date on all the hottest new crypto coins. Let's get rich together, guys. Now, last week Del Crypto made a tweet highlighting the Grove burned in the last 90 days. They highlighted this impressive $10 million plus statistic to represent the benchmark for which new burn mechanisms would significantly improve the Grove token burn rate. And lo and behold, in the past 24 hours, Grove have already burnt over 77 trillion tokens, which equates to over $60,000. Seems that Del Crypto may be right that Grove's new burning mechanism is much better. And speaking of burning tokens, John G announced that a big burn is coming in the next 7 days. We will be seeing this new burn mechanism in action very shortly, ladies and gentlemen, and who knows, we may see it even sooner as the market is in a dire situation right now, and in order to counteract this bearish behaviour and for Grove dropping even further, Grove's team may decide to burn sooner rather than later to help stabilise Grove's prices. John G also announced earlier that with us progressing to our Grove blockchain, we will be able to have tokens on our Grove swap, trading with Grove token pairs like XPR. Remember guys that Grove swap is scheduled to be released at some point this month, so it is not long until all the pieces start falling in place for the Grove token's new empire. John G further stated that we will also give an opportunity to 3 decent projects and cover a portion of their liquidity. Think big, think blockchain, think BNB. So it seems like Grove also have 3 other projects lined up to be listed on their blockchain once it is released, which is good to hear. Now, to go into more depth and clarification on the new GROVECOIN, this document shows Grove's evolution and what exactly are the benefits and opportunities from transferring from a token to a coin. This might look quite daunting, but don't worry, I'll be covering the most important parts. But of course, if you guys want to read the whole document for yourself, then I recommend pausing the video here to do so. So for one, once a token has its own native blockchain, it is considered a coin. This structure has its own transaction record called ledger. Currency properties can be mined via proof of stake, which is a more environmentally friendly supply structure than traditional mining. As a layer 1, other projects can now build on the coin, while utilising the same level of security, speed and functionality. As you can see, this is a huge step for a project, and it is often a major milestone for a token's roadmap because it is a huge step for Grove to be transitioned from a token to a coin. And why is this so big? Well, opportunity and security. A blockchain means your investment value is less impacted by outside market factors or specific coin pair fluctuations. Even if the coin has chains to other networks, having this safety net is a huge win for the future of this project. So as you see here, by Grove creating its own blockchain, it means that Grove will be safer or more sustainable and less volatile, as outside market factors, coin fluctuations will impact Grove less than it would do as if it was a token. And then also, if we read here, a trusted dev team with a recognised brand and community will also attract many other projects to launch their tokens on the new network via listing agreements. These increase the value of the native coin alongside network fees on transactions, which as it stands right now, Grove are becoming more reputable and recognised by the day, by doing worldwide TV interviews, worldwide advertisements, being a sustainable green crypto with real world utilities and renewable energy business backing, alongside the support of the royal family in Dubai. As the trust in Grove grows, so will its brand, and so will Grove's prices, and so will Grove's blockchain. Now, before I cover the process of how to buy Grove, I'll be giving you guys my price prediction. So as it stands, as Grove is in a bearish trend right now, like the rest of the market as I said earlier, I predict that it is likely that Grove will continue to drop in value over the next 3 to 4 days or so. It is possible that we may see Grove reach as far as the $30 million market cap, not 39 like it is right now. It could possibly drop 10 million further down. But I don't believe that Grove will drop any lower than that. Grove has a huge burn planned within the next week, which will temporarily help stabilize Grove's prices. Not also to mention that the Grove Phantom blockchain is currently available to pre-order and is scheduled to be released on the 20th of November, so in 5 days time this Sunday. Once that is released, it is highly possible that Grove will spike and start pumping, making that a good time to invest into Grove. I predict that Grove will probably reach this level down here within the next 5 days or so, at the very least. And if that was to happen, and the Grove Phantom blockchain release resulted in Grove returning to its current value as it is right now, we would see at least a 15% plus gain, and there is potential that Grove will go even higher. This month still has a lot in store for us, especially with the Grove swap on the horizon, which of course is big news, and that will definitely see Grove's prices go up. But just for the record, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so please do trade at your own discretion. I am merely just stating my views based off my own research. Now before I finish the video, I wanted to make a quick segment showing everyone where and how to buy Grove. So for one, there are tutorials on Grove Token's official YouTube channel. As you can see here, it goes youtube.com/c/Grove Token. But I will leave a link to this channel in the description for you guys, as well as their website, which I'll also leave a link in the description for you guys. And if you were to scroll down a little bit, you would see right here where to invest. And here you can click on which exchange you would like to invest. Like if you were to click on PancakeSwap for example, you click on the icon and it sends you straight to the exchange. All you need to do is connect your wallet right here and select the payment method that you are using to invest into Grove. So if you're wanting to invest using ERC20, then you'd go over here and you'd try and get onto Ethereum here. But if you're not using ERC20, then you'd be using BNB, which of course then you just click the BNB right here. And then once you've done that with your wallet connected, you just import the amount of BNB that you want to invest into Grove. And once you're happy with the amount you've put into, just click continue or confirm, and that should be it. I hope that was helpful for you guys, and if you want to keep up to date on the hottest new crypto coins that could catastrophically blow up and make you the most gains possible, then please feel free to subscribe to my channel, like the video and drop a comment down below on your thoughts on what coin you'd like to see next. But remember guys, it's just a coin, and I'll see you in the next video.